This one is a story plated with soul. The other night I was hosted by the legendary Buri in the ancient city of Akko, Israel.
Hi.
How are you?
Very well. You want the TikTok or something?
No. A man who doesn't just cook food, he curates memories. Uri personally crafted a 5-course tasting, each plate unfolding like a quiet conversation with the sea. Fresh, honest, and deeply intuitive. No theatrics, just mastery born from decades of devotion. Every course carried Akko's history. The salt of the Mediterranean, the patience of time, the confidence of simplicity done right.
Uri,
What does that mean, Buri?
My name is Uri.
Okay.
And Buri is a grey mullet.
Oh, okay.
It's a fish, yeah.
Okay.
And so Uri is because
So
I
you
was
know
born
now
Uri.
who's Uri, and now you know the meaning behind Uri.
Yeah.
And then came the dessert. Buri's handmade ice creams. Oh, they're so famous. You have to try them. Not sweet, not loud, just perfectly balanced, almost poetic. The kind of dessert that makes you pause and smile.
I have never had this. Something from India.
Indian spices.
What is it? And in a world rushing towards trends, this dinner reminded me true luxury is authenticity, presence, and being hosted by someone who genuinely loves cooking food. Akko fed my soul that night. And Buri, thank you for the magic.